Let's go. Here we go. Installing a lock. First of all, it's a new company we're trying out over here. My guy is amazing, by the way. Just so you know, he's checking to make sure it's nice and flush. That's the little tongue. Now he's going to grab the handle. Oh, I'm sorry, he's going to actually prep that. He's going to drill it in. Drill that bad boy. He's going to make pre-drilled holes to make his life a little bit easier. Also, that avoids splitting in the wood. And pre-drill his holes. Then he's going to grab his screws, screw that in so that latch is nice and tight. And he's going to grab the handle, put it into one side. He's going to grab the plate that goes on the other side. Again, that one has a cover plate, and then the handle gets tied in with a little bit of an Allen key, so you don't see it's a screwless door handle. It's actually very cost effective. As you can tell over here, we grab a square to make sure that the plate is actually level on both sides. This handle is actually quite nice compared to some other companies. I've noticed that these square ones actually come out of square over time. This one actually has like this little divot in the back of it that once you screw it in, it actually holds it in place so it doesn't let it shift or move. Check us out for any more information and follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube.